What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets, and we only going to use one account. Alright, so the reason why we only using one account is because I want to try to emulate what people who just start make, so to speak. Since I'm using one account, I should get one account type of results. So you will make something similar to what I'm making. That's what I want to try to show you, that even just starting, you will make a decent amount of money. Just starting, not even going hard into it, just the bare minimum, so to speak. So anyway, guys, that's the reason why. All right, so before we get started, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Links in the description. You're interested in following along here, and let's get started. All right, so now, first off, I want to talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. And essentially, it's a funnel builder, so to speak. I mean, you get a lot of other stuff with it too, but it's essentially a very nice funnel builder. It's easy to use and everything. Has a whole bunch of things that connect to it very easily as well. It's simple, very easy to do certain things that can be troublesome with other funnel builders. You can connect as many domains as you want. You can make as many funnels as you want. You can make as many funnel pages as you want. Like, it's just no limitations at all. $25. That's incredible. Now, most people know that $25 for a funnel builder is like the beginner's course or something like that. That's essentially, you get like one funnel or something like that for most funnel builders. But this one here, you get all the limitations off and stuff. Very easy to make subdomains as well. Yeah, it's just a simple system, and the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels, so to speak, and it's $97 per month, and you have a ton of limitations here and there, including the amount of people that can see your funnel, which is incredibly insane to me. And you need to pay $300 to get rid of limitations like that, which is crazy to me. Now, all right, so that's the first reason. Now, the second reason is because of, and I think the most important reason here, and the reason why I personally was interested in starting the $25 all-in-one business, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions, which is absolutely insanity. You can make so much money off of that, guys. I want to make sure I clarify that. You can make a lot of money with only 80% recurring commissions. Okay, guys? And it's very simple to promote. It's so simple to promote the way I do it anyway. And you can build your income so well like that. It's more of an investment than anything. All right, so guys, let's get to it here. Let's look at our results here. Okay, looks like I didn't get a sale. Let's let it refresh it. Okay, turns out I did get a sale yesterday, guys. As you can see here, refresh here.
Nice.
And that's great, man. I just feel great about that. And it looks like my drought season is finally over, which I'm hoping it stays like that. I should start getting sales more often now. I'm usually drought in the first like 5 or 6 days of the month, every month. So I'm doing good now. So I see a sale come through, and so we are starting back in here. Also, make sure to, when you see somebody show their results, make sure that they refresh the page so you can get an understanding of like they're showing real results, because it's very easy to change all of these numbers around. Very easy to change them to whatever I want them to be. I can add a zero here, zero there, and just make this look like so much money I'm making, guys. But if you refresh it, when they do that, they refresh it, it shows real results. They can't change that. So make sure when you see people results, they do that. It's a ton of YouTube videos out there. There's a ton of people showing like these crazy numbers they're making with the strategies that you show. Honestly, a good rule if they show you a ton of different ways to make money, like within like a couple of days from each other, there's a pretty good chance they're not legitimate. Because usually when you find a way to make money, you stick with it. Now you might find one or two ways, like if they got like a system going, yeah, you can believe that. But like when it's like, okay, you can do it like this, you make money doing this, you can make money doing that, I wouldn't trust that. All right, guys, so let's move on here. We're gonna go to my lead gen secrets here. We're gonna click on that. We're gonna pick out Nets email here. I got them all logged in for the weekend of Money Keeps Climbing. So what I do, I go down here and I just pick the next day. Boom, and we done just like that, guys. And if you're following along, you should have these emails in your system by now. But in case you don't, just pause and copy this email. Just copy it, pause it at any moment, and just copy it. I'm giving you the chance to pause it. All right, guys, that's all it takes, guys. And make sure to put your link in right here. Start Making Money Today, right here. You put your link right there, guys. Okay, so the link you want to use, for example, is the all-in-one $25 business right here. That's the link you want to do that. So I just want to make sure I show you guys that. Anyway, guys, that's about it. You know what, guys? Oh, also make sure you hit perfect timing. With perfect timing does send an email around time people check their emails. And you make sure you hit the preview. I know my link works, but make sure you hit the preview and check and see if your link works when you first set them in. I know it link works because I sent this email before, so it works. So anyway, you just hit send email and we are done for the morning, guys. That's all it takes, and it's so easy and simple to do. You understand? It's so easy and simple to do, and that's about all it takes, guys. Like I stated before, if you're very interested in following along, links are in the description showing you where to go. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell in case you want to follow my videos from now on, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.